There once was a man named Karim who made a living repairing bicycles. He didn't own a fancy workshop or a big store, just a small wooden stall with worn tools and an old bicycle stand. Every day, Karim sat under the shade of a large tree, fixing flat tires, broken chains, and rusty brakes for the village people. But times had changed. New bike shops with fast machines and shiny tools opened nearby. One by one, customers stopped coming to Karim. "You're too slow," they said. "Your tools are old-fashioned." Even Karim's daughter Layla urged him to give up.
"Papa, no one wants your old ways anymore. It's time to stop," she said sadly.
Karim only smiled quietly, his eyes calm, but full of hope. "Maybe today, one bicycle will need me," he said. Days passed, then weeks. Karim returned home, tired and dusty, with hands stained by grease. Some days, not a single person stopped by, but he kept working, kept repairing, kept believing. One rainy afternoon, Karim found shelter under a big tree where a young man was sitting with a broken bicycle chain.
"It's my favorite bike. I can't find anyone who will fix it,"
the man said, pointing at the old chain. Without saying a word, Karim took the chain, cleaned it carefully, and began repairing it with steady hands. Rain dripped from the leaves above as Karim worked. When he handed the chain back, it looked brand new. Karim nodded. "I may be old-fashioned, but I do my work with care." The next day, the young man told his friends, and soon people lined up at Karim's stall with broken bicycles. They no longer wanted speed or fancy machines. They wanted skill, patience, and care. One evening, Layla passed by and saw the crowd around her father's stall. She watched him working, his hands steady and sure despite the years. When the crowd quieted, Layla approached, holding a bicycle with a bent wheel. Karim looked up, smiled, and said, "Maybe today one more bicycle will need me." Never give up, especially when your hands still know how to bring things back to life. Never give up. Keep working hard and believe in yourself. Your skills and care will be needed. Thank you for listening. Now, let's learn some vocabulary. Make a living, meaning to earn money to support yourself. Example, Karim makes a living by fixing bicycles. Stall, meaning a small shop or table used to sell or fix things. Example, Karim has a small bicycle repair stall under a tree. Tools, meaning things people use to fix or build something. Example, Karim uses simple tools to fix broken bicycle parts. Karim uses tools to repair bikes. Rusty, meaning covered with reddish-brown coating because of water and air. Example, the young man's bicycle chain was old and rusty. Shelter, meaning a place that protects you from rain, sun, or wind. Example, Karim found shelter under a big tree when it rained. Steady, meaning firm, controlled, and not shaking. Example, Layla watched her father's steady hands while he worked. Believe, meaning to have faith that something will happen. Example, Karim kept working because he believed people would need his skills again. Bent, meaning not straight, curved, or damaged. Example: Layla brought a bicycle wheel that was bent. The wheel was not straight. Please do like and subscribe for more such inspiring stories to improve your English fast.